Hey guys, welcome back to Code War. I'm Ramesh, and in this video, I will explain how to draw a circle using Graphics.h library. So let's start with a short definition of circle. A circle is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a given point. This given point is called the center of the circle, and the distance r is called the radius of the circle. So here you can see that if we know the x and y coordinates of the center of the circle and the radius of the circle, then we can easily draw it. And to draw a circle, graphics.h library provides a function circle which takes three integer arguments. The first two arguments are the x and y coordinates of the center of the circle, and this last argument is the radius of the circle. Now let's implement it in the coding for better understanding. Circle 320, 240, 200. Now build and run it. So here you can see this 320 and 240 represents the x and y coordinates of the center of the circle, and this 200 represents the radius of the circle. So guys, that's all for now. In the next video, I will explain about how to draw an arc using graphics.h library. Keep practicing. See you in the next video.